Today, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 websites that can make you a good amount of money. And if you are a beginner with little or no money and looking for easy side hustles, then this one is for you. The good thing is that these websites will pay you within 24 hours, and so you will not have to wait to receive your money. And at the same time, you can do it all from the comfort of your home. Guys, be sure to stick around and watch until the end of this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus side hustle on sales that can make you some much needed extra cash. Okay, first up, website number 1. This side hustle website is going to make you a lot of money. The website is user testing, and this side hustle is very easy indeed, and you don't need any experience or money to get started. You will be presented with a form of survey, and in this survey you are asked for your opinion on certain topics and businesses. You may also be asked to test various things and then give your perspective or finding. What's good about user testing is that they have a very high payout rate, so the average payout is about $10 per test, and this can range from approximately $3 to $60 per test. You will need a laptop with a microphone because some of the tests will ask you to give your opinion via a voice call or an audio file once you have recorded it. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. On this channel I help everyday people like you make money online using simple strategies and tools. I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, which is why I'm passionate about sharing these methods to help you earn passive income and gain financial freedom. Please be sure to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos on how to make money online, as I share new strategies and tools to help you succeed financially. Now then, let's dive into this great way for you to start making money online with these side hustles. Next up is website number 2. Now then, everyone has a camera somewhere, and you certainly don't have to look too far, simply because your smartphone has a camera or 2 on it. So if you really enjoy taking pictures or making videos, then for sure you can use this to your advantage and really make some good money with it. For instance, you can upload your photos, videos and AI art to websites such as Wirestock. Wirestock collaborates with stock footage websites such as Shutterstock, Getty Images and Adobe, whereby you are able to upload your photos, videos and AI art to this platform. As soon as your images have been uploaded, they will be reviewed and your footage accepted and will then be distributed to other websites. You will now earn money every time someone downloads one of your photos, videos or AI art, and you earn a commission. Payment, I believe, is around an extra $5,000 per year with you uploading only stock footages. However, the more footages you upload, the more money you will make. Guys, this is legitimately 100% passive income. My tip is for you to upload everything you have from your portfolio, and it will be good for you to make content that is trending to maximize your downloads from people. Next up is website number 3. Guys, do you realize that every video that is viewed by an international audience requires subtitles? So then, nowadays AI can do most of the work for you, but it's not going to be perfect. But let me put you onto a website called Scribe, where companies are able to buy subtitles for their commercial videos. And this is where Scribe gives you a great opportunity to make money as a transcriber. Now then, you will need to sign up with them, and you will then be presented with a video whereby AI has already done most of the work for you. Your first requirement is to check that everything has been correctly subtitled, and if not, then you are to correct the mistakes. After that, you will also need to manually add in subtitles for the parts that the AI did not correctly hear. Payment is between $5 to $20 per hour, and this website allows beginners to earn up to $400 per month. However, as an intermediate, you can earn an extra $800 per month. Next up is website number 4. Now then, regardless of whether or not you are a big or small business, businesses will need a website at some point in time. So when making these websites, they also need to be tested for things like bugs, weak points, and to ensure everything is working properly. So this is where you are needed, and there is a website called Try My UI. However, they have changed their name to Try Marta. Once you've signed up, you will be assigned a website for you to test out. Try Marta want people to be themselves and use the website as you would in a real life situation, and then give them your thoughts and frustrations. So for one test, you can earn up to $10 or more, which takes between 15 to 20 minutes. This works out to be around $30 per hour on average, which is pretty good. And if you were to do this just once daily for 5 days a week, then it's $150 plus per week, which is an extra $650 a month. Guys, I did mention a bonus to you. Now then, to the bonus website. Do you have a skill that you're passionate about? Then there are ways for you to monetize this. So starting your own business is not easy, and that's why there are sites like Fiverr. I know that many people may not think that Fiverr is eligible or it's hard to earn money with them. However, this is clearly not the case. Fiverr is such a good place for beginner freelancers to earn money. So then, on Fiverr, you are required to upload a gig that people can buy, and then you are to promote yourself by making an appealing cover photo or a trailer selling yourself. This is really important to enable you to earn money with a skill you have. So do try your best to get your gig out there, and it's best for you that people notice you, and you will sooner get people to come to you. After this, it will be an open world of opportunities in various ways for you to make extra money on the side. Guys, remember to comment below and let me know how you're getting on with these side hustles. Thank you for stopping by, and if you've not already done so, please like, subscribe to this channel and share with your family and friends to help me out with the YouTube algorithm, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on my new videos and to learn how to make money online. So then, believe in yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.